Most people only use Canva to design graphics, but what if I told you it can actually turn your art and AI images into animated videos? I've created literally thousands of videos with Canva, and once I started combining it with AI art tools and other AI images, I realized just how powerful this combo really is. In today's tutorial, I'll show you a few ways to animate your images, bring AI art to life, and make full videos inside Canva, plus one trick that makes your animations look so amazing, almost like they were made in expensive pro editing software. Let's get started. Today I'm showing techniques, so I won't be talking about ChatGPT, making images, or how to create incredible narrations, but I do have lots of those tutorials already on the channel if you need them. I'm in Canva, and I've already opened a new video window. I'll make all these pages roughly about 10 seconds long. Next, I'll drag in my images. All these are from Creative Fabrica. I wanted to use something new instead of the same Canva images everyone always uses. I'm going to show you a few different ways to animate your characters in Canva. First, I'll go to Elements and look for a boat. Next, I'll click here and choose Animated. Then I picked this sailboat. I'll put it right there. Since this is already moving, I'll take this boat, click on Animate, and click on the bee. Then I'll hold down the Shift button and start dragging it across, just like this. I'll stop right about there because I don't want to run it into the big rock. Next, I'll slow it down and choose Steady, then click Done. Nice. Next, I'll go up here and choose Walk. I'll pick this lady. This time I'll do something a little different. I'm going to put her over here almost off the page. Then I'll click on Animate and click on the bee. Then just pull her across the page, just like that. Good. I'll take this and pick Smooth. Actually, I'll choose Original, then click on Done. Okay, good. And this one, I need to get a helicopter. I'll pick this one and shrink it, then put it here. First, I'll detach the background because I want to be able to move it too. I'll shrink this down so you can see it better. Now I'll go to Position and pull this down like this. This time, I'm going to make two different animations happen at the same time. So I'll grab this and click on Animate, then click on the bee. I'll hold down the Shift button and drag it over here. Then I'll choose Steady and slow it down. That's good. Now for this, I'm going to flip it and put it back over here. I'll click on Animate, then on the bee, and move it like that. Let me slow it down. Then I'll click Done. And now when we watch this mini video, check this out. Notice that movement is happening in two different ways. Very cool. All right, and for this last method, I'll show you something new. This picture is from Creative Fabrica. I've already added it on the page. If I zoom out, you'll see it's a really long image, but I'll just use this section for now. Here's what I'm gonna do. I've already stretched the page out to about 10 seconds, and now I'll go to Elements and type in Walk. Next, I'll click here on these three lines, choose this, then choose Animated. Now everything shown is animated. If you're using a free account, just make sure you don't pick the ones that have crowns on them, because those are for the paid Canva users. I'll choose this lady. Now I'll flip her and put her right about here. Then I'll scoot her off the page. Just like that. Watch carefully, I'm going to show you something a little different. I'll click Animate, click on the bee, and now drag her across the page like this. Yep, that looks good. Click Done. The next thing I'll do is go to Text and put in this word. Then make it bigger and change the font. Nice. Okay, I'll make it say shopping. Now I'll duplicate it. I'll right-click, click on Duplicate, and then make them line them up exactly. Now I'll click on Effects and choose Hollow. Okay, so that you can see it's changed just a little bit, but let me zoom out. Now go to position and notice you'll see the two words. There's the solid black one, and here's the hollow version. Here's the cool part. I'll take this lady and put her right in between the words. So there's the words, her, and then the words, right? Let's watch this. I'll go back here and click play. Wow, is that not cool? And this is a really fun animation trick that you might find some use for. It looks like she's just walking right through the words. So we're animating not only her, but the text as well. Have fun playing with these techniques.
And if you love finding out about crazy cool AI tricks before everyone else, subscribe now so you're the first to know when new AI tools drop. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching.